Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome to another cleaning motivation. So it is 11:20 at night. This was last month. I just found this footage in my phone, so I thought I would share it because you guys say that you like watching cleaning the kitchen. And oh yes, it's February, but I'm wearing a Christmas shirt because I found it in the cupboard and I thought, why not? I don't really care what I wear at home, whatever. So yes, we have a pile of mess to clean dishes to go away, dirty dishes to get washed, a stockpile that we had from a shop that needs to get, if not put away, at least pushed to the side in a neat pile so I can deal with it later. And I've also just got home with some shopping that I've just put on the floor as well. So enjoy, and I'll check in with you soon. So that's been about 40 minutes that I've been cleaning for, and I've had enough for tonight. At least the dishes were done and everything got in the fridge that needed to go. Everything else is just kind of sitting there in bags on the floor. So I'll put all those things away and work out everything else to go later. I decided to start trying to clean part of a cupboard. I get distracted easily, and then decided, no, actually we need to do what we need to do, put the shopping away and do some other bits and pieces. So yes, here we go. Of course it's the next day as well, so you can clearly see there was night and now it's day. This rest of the clean took about another 40 minutes from memory. I forgot to have my watch time, but yes, I'm pretty impressed with how quickly I got everything done. Thanks so much for joining with me. I hope this has inspired you to jump up and clean some kitchen. As you can see, just sort of half an hour or so, and you can at least get the dishes done and a little bit else. So thanks for joining with me, and I look forward to seeing you next time.